Medela disposable collection system. Setup of a single liner. The setup procedure is the same for both sizes. We will use the 1.5 litre jar to demonstrate this. Otherwise, choose the size according to application. First, insert the jar into the holder. The jar has a locking clasp that keeps it in the clamp holder. This keeps the jar in place for a one-handed liner removal. Attach the tubing from the pump to the vacuum port in the jar. Make sure the color of the liner matches the jar. The liner is equipped with a hydrophobic filter that prevents an overflow into the suction system. This is protected by a splash guard. The backflow valve prevents secretions from returning to the patient. The lid and liner of Medela's disposable collection system are one part, and the liner can be inserted into the jar quickly. It is folded, inserted, and ready for use in seconds. Press down the lid at the suction port first and then in front. This secures the liner safely inside the jar. The lid of the disposable liner has only one patient connection with a diameter of 11 millimeters. The angle piece fits tubings starting from 7 millimeter diameter. Therefore, a wide range of tubings can be attached. For most applications, the user will place the angle piece on this port for the attachment of standard tubings. The only other port on the lid of the liner is the serial connection, labeled serial. This enables the user to combine multiple liners for high-volume applications. Attach the patient tubing either to the angle piece or directly. Switch on the pump. Bend the tubing and set the vacuum for the desired application. Make sure the vacuum is built up and the liner expands into the jar. Unbend and the suctioning procedure can begin. A splash guard over the hydrophobic filter keeps it from premature closing. When the disposable liner is filled up all the way, this filter prevents fluids from entering the suction system. When suctioning is finished, remove the patient tubing and close the port with the plug. Make sure the liner is plugged before the pump is switched off. Switch off the suction pump. Turn the vacuum to 0 to enable easy removal of the liner. Remove the disposable liner by using the handles on the lid that are suited for both right and left-handed people. Dispose of the liner and tubing in accordance with hospital guidelines. Medela disposable suction liners are made of environmentally friendly materials that ensure non-toxic incineration.